scene. So guys, if you are also facing the same problem, what is happening to me from 2 days, I'm not able to view status of anyone. Here you can see that when I click on status, this is my status. I can view my status only, but when I go back, when I try to view status of others, I'm unable to view status of others. Now what version I'm using, I can show you. When I click here 3 dots, FM modes, I'm using FM modes, and this is the version 8.86. Maybe you would be also using any other application having the same version, means you are using GB WhatsApp version 8.86 or FM WhatsApp version 8.86 or your WhatsApp version 8.86. If you are unable to view status of others, then what steps you have to take, I'm gonna tell you, and these steps you have to follow step by step, and your problem will be sorted out. I guarantee about it. Now let us start. What we have to do. Once when you are facing the problem, first thing that you need to check that you have given proper contact permission to this application or not. Until we are not giving permission to this application is not able to provide us updates of status of others, you may say. So for that, what you need to do here, you can see that the names are shown. If names are shown, that means that I have given contact access. If in your case, you see here the numbers are shown, names are not shown, it means that you haven't given contact access so far. So just to give contact access, what step you have to do? Just close this application, long press on the same application, click on I button, and thereafter you need to go to the permissions. Now when you go to the permissions, you will find here contact, click on this, and you have to allow this. If you have denied, please make sure you have to allow this, and thereafter you have to open this application again. Because I have already allowed, still I'm not able to view status of others, then what should be the next step? Next step is click here and then go to the FM modes. If you are using, I told you, if you are using any other application like GB WhatsApp or FM WhatsApp or U WhatsApp, but with the same number, with same version like 8.86, same steps you have to follow. Second step will be here, you can see here, so home screen. Click on home screen. And once when you click on home screen, you can see here multiple options are shown. You have to go to the status. Click on status, scroll down. Once when you scroll down, you will see here 3 options are shown: muted updates, viewed updates, and recent updates. Make sure you have to disable all these 3 options. Once when you disable all the 3 options, then what will happen? You will be able to view status of others. Once when I go back, I just restart this application, you can see that now all the status have been started showing to me. So this is a very simple trick, but make sure this will work only in version 8.86. If you are using any other version like 16.10.0 or any other version, so just write in the comment section, I'll give you the solution, because it happens many of viewers are using 12.0, many of users are using 11.86. So options are sometimes not at the same place, so I'll tell you the solution. So this is all about today's video. Very soon we'll see again in the next video, in the next topic. For the time being, bye bye and take care.